Digital light synthesis combines Carbon's clip technology and programmable liquid resins to enable end-use parts with exceptional surface finish and unmatched mechanical properties. This screw compressor rotor is at the heart of the company Nativis's groundbreaking air conditioning unit. Advanced, highly efficient compressor designs like this one were previously found only in industrial compressors because the traditional CNC technology needed to fabricate them is expensive. With Carbon, Nativis was able to print the rotor in an advanced material called cyanate ester at a fraction of the cost of the CNC alternative. Here's how Carbon's technology works to print end-use parts. Light from a custom high-performance LED light engine projects a sequence of UV images exposing a cross-section of the part, causing the UV curable resin to partially cure in a precisely controlled way. Oxygen passes through the oxygen-permeable window, creating a thin liquid interface of uncured resin between the window and the printing part, known as the dead zone. The dead zone is only a third of a human hair thick. However, it is the area responsible for Carbon's remarkable high-performance resolution and unique isotropic parts. In the dead zone, oxygen prohibits light from curing the resin situated closest to the window, thereby allowing for the continuous flow of liquid beneath the part. Just above the dead zone, the UV light projected upwards causes a cascade-like partial curing of the part. Simply printing with Carbon's hardware alone does not allow for end-use properties with real-world application. Once the light has shaped the part, a second programmable curing process achieves the desired mechanical properties by baking the part in a thermal bath or oven. Programmed thermal curing sets the mechanical properties by triggering a secondary chemical reaction, causing the material to strengthen, achieving the desired final properties. Carbon is taking manufacturing from analog to digital, printing end-use parts with exceptional surface finish, unmatched mechanical properties, and real-world impact. Carbon, stop prototyping, start producing.